So y'all remember this heater that I have, right? And I just I'm gonna be dismantling it for parts. It's not worth saving because the insides are broken. You can hear all that play in there. I'm not gonna plug it in. I'm actually gonna be snipping the cord. So do not do what I'm about to do. It's really dangerous. But I just want to do it anyway. Let's okay, I got the cord off. I want to try to use this cord to save another fan that I'll try to repair soon. It's a Green Future Comforts fan. I'll also be taking this tag off. So let's go ahead and cut it off. It says not to remove it, but I'm going to be scrapping this heater anyway. And also there's a computer fan inside this heater, which I'll also try to be saving too. So the cord is off. And this is why this heater is not worth saving. So that's why I cut the cord off. So that's nice and safe. Now there are some screws here which I do need to remove. I'm pretty sure I already removed one of them. I think it needs to be. I got this thing for $1 at a auction along with a Climate Keeper table fan. Feels like it's really coming apart. Ooh. Now there is a computer fan on this heater, which I'll be removing. I'm just gonna go ahead and snip the wires here. I don't want to touch any of this thing in here, so I'm gonna remove it. Now let's go ahead and remove this PC fan from its foundation. Okay, so there's still a capacitor inside attached. I'll be cutting these wires out. Also, this PC fan in here is a little dirty, so... Okay, we don't want these wires, so I'm gonna have to remove them. Okay, now I think now we can continue dismantling this heater. Okay, let's pull these wires through here. Let's there are these bare wires. I'm gonna cut this black one off. I think this white one is the hot, and I'm not sure what these other ones are. I'll be throwing this stuff away. I'll be saving the computer fan that's inside this heater. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all to all this. So thanks for watching. Peace.